Hey guys, this is Anukriti here. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys one very simple pack for face and body, and this simple DIY pack can also be used as face wash, scrub, face and body pack as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to make this 4-in-1 simple pack, take half a tablespoon of green gram flour or moong dal atta. It is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C that helps in giving a healthy glow to the skin and also work as exfoliator. Next, add white wild turmeric to the moong dal atta. So white wild turmeric has many benefits for skin. It removes facial hair, it treats uneven skin tone, it reduces acne and wrinkles. Next I'm going to add wild turmeric powder, like a pinch of wild turmeric powder. It is very good for glowing skin and heals scars and marks. Then I'm going to add a pinch of rose petal powder, and this is very good as a natural exfoliator. It acts as natural cleanser and it also prevents aging and wrinkles, discard dark circles, make your skin tone even and brighten up your skin. Next I'm going to add my favorite product, that is VETIVER or KHUS. It has many skin benefits, like it eliminates marks from acne, pox, burn marks to scars, stretch marks. You can purchase VETIVER online or from any local shop and grind it into a fine powder. Then I'm going to mix all these products well. Next I'm going to add milk to make it into a smooth fine paste. You can also add curd, or you can always use water to make a smooth paste. Mix it well so there will be no lumps. Then I'm going to apply this face mask on all over my face evenly. You can use this face mask daily as a face wash or scrub, or as a face pack daily. You can also prepare this pack in a good large amount and restore it for about a month or two. You can also use this pack as a body wash or body pack daily. इसमें मैंने किचन टर्मरिक ऐड नहीं किया है. If you guys want, you can add kitchen turmeric, because kitchen turmeric don't suit my skin. It caused me little bumps on my face. So I also apply it under my eye area because it is very good to reduce dark circles or any puffiness, wrinkles around your eyes. Then I'm going to let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes and I'm gonna wash it off. And while washing my face, I do scrub it for a little while, so in that way it works as exfoliator as well. And this amazing face and body pack suits all skin type, whether it is dry, combination or oily skin. So you guys can definitely see how my skin has become more soft and glowy instantly. After that I'm just going to apply moisturizer. You guys can purchase all these products from Amazon or Nykaa. You can also find all these products on any local shop. So this 4-in-1 pack is superb for face and body, as it has many benefits for your skin, as I've already told you guys before. So I hope you guys love the video. And I hope you guys find this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.